I'm a working mom of 3 kids and 2 dogs. It's always hectic. Between working and having children at the same time, it keeps me busy all the time.
Oh, kids, it's time to get ready for school!
The laundry? The laundry is the biggest problem. I'm exhausted. I have my husband's clothing, the dog's clothing, my children's clothing. How can I wash them separately all the time? It takes all day to do the laundry. So this one day, we had this huge load of laundry. I didn't give it much thought. I just did the laundry how I usually do. And when I took the clothes out of the washer, I noticed this child-sized sweater I hadn't seen before. It was my black sweater, only shrunken. I guess it got mixed up in the laundry and somehow I didn't separate it. It was a huge bummer. So what about my fashion?